नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so the last lesson already we have completed, and today we are going to learn one new lesson regarding of your textbook only, right? So before starting the class, I want to ask one thing. Would you like to read the books? If yes, so it is very good. जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो इसके द्वारा हम लोग कितनी ढेर सारी जानकारियां प्राप्त करते हैं और किसी किसी को नए नए चीज़ों के बारे में जानने की इच्छा है और बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जो किताबों को पढ़ना बहुत पसंद करते हैं, लिखने की अपेक्षा पढ़ना बहुत पसंद करते हैं. So as we know that many people they like to read the books. You know that when we are reading the books we are getting many knowledge. The books and this knowledge never end. Yes or no? One by one, when you are reading the books, you are getting more and more knowledge. But one thing I want to ask you, whether before that, you people have find that from where this book came and who made this book and what was the form of this books. ये किताब का जो आकार है, प्रकार है, कैसा था? क्या हमने कभी इसे जानने की कोशिश की? Never. No one. Because we are getting the knowledge. So we are not at all thinking about the book from where we got. We will not think. We will say we got from the shop. We went there and we got. But more than that, this book, who made, how it came in this form, we don't know. So based on this only, today we are going to see one new lesson. The lesson name is Kitab Ki Kahani. Today we are going to see the story of the book. ये किताब जो है इसकी कहानी क्या है? Okay, so all of you take your textbook and page number 15. पाठ का नाम किताब की कहानी. किताब किसी भी साक्षर व्यक्ति को रोटी या मिष्टान से कहीं अधिक मीठी लगती है. सुंदर तस्वीरों वाली कोई मनभाती किताब हाथ लगते ही उसे जल्दी जल्दी चट जाने का मन करता है. हालांकि किताब को उस तरह चाटा नहीं जा सकता जिस तरह किसी खाने पीने की चीज को. फिर भी किताब के संदर्भ में चाटना इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि अच्छी चीज पढ़ने की भी एक भूख प्यास होती है जो पढ़ लेने पर तृप्त होती है. So here it is saying that the book, those who are literate know to read and those who are good reader, for them this book is like a sweet only. Okay, and you know that the colorful pictures and colorful stories, fairy tale story and story, this all the things is there in the book. All the knowledge we are getting from the book. So सुंदर तस्वीर वाली किताब. So you know that then first when we are getting the books, what we will do? We will search the pictures. What all interesting pictures is there or not in that book? Because the pictures will attract you more. So everyone, those who are good reader, the book is like a sweet for them. Or here the word is used, chaat jana. Chaat jana means what? Leaking. Taste. You want to taste that one. But we cannot taste the book. But the good knowledge and the knowledge from where we are getting from the book. So those who are good reader, all the time this book is sweet for them only. All the time what they will do? They will search the good things. They are searching the knowledge and all the time they are thirsty to know about the thing. For like that person, the book is sweet. When they are getting the knowledge, when they are searching something, if they are getting the knowledge, so they will be satisfied. Tript ho jana. So what they are searching, those who are good reader and those who want to know about the things, they will not go to internet and they will not go to the mobile. They will go to the book only. What is there in the book? After that they will search in the other things. Next is given there. किताब की दुनिया हमारी सचमुच की दुनिया से अलग होती है, सुंदर और अनूठी. Books world is totally different from our daily life and our life, what we have. From there, the story, the books, life is totally different only. किताब की दुनिया हमारी सचमुच की दुनिया से अलग होती है, सुंदर और अनूठी। इसके पन्ने पलटते ही हम सब अपनी जिंदगी के दुख दर्द भूल जाते हैं, किसी की कही हुई पूरी बातों की कड़वाहट भूल जाते हैं, अपने वर्तमान को भूलकर सपनों के रंगीन लोक में खो जाते हैं। So here it is saying that the book's world is totally different. It is very beautiful and unique only. And when we are turning the pages, so we all forget about our pain, what pain we have in our life, that all the things we will forget. And if someone is talking and someone is hurt you, so this all the things we will forget when we are reading the book. And in the different world we will journey. This is the happening when we are reading the books. We are getting the knowledge, that is other thing is there, but when something else also we are getting, something else means sometime just we will dream, you have not seen that place, but through the books you can go and see that world. Yes or no? In the world different places is there, we have knowing how, through the books only, through the story only. Through the books we will reach in that place and we will wander that place and we will come back. So this is the book. Yes or no? Yes. Those who are reading the book, for them. Those who are not reading the book, this book is boring for them. But those who are reading the book, they can forget their all the things what is happening in their life. All the time they will thirst to know about the things, what all things is happening. This is the book. Okay, next is there. अपनी जगह बैठे बैठे हम दूर के सुहावने जंगलों में, पहाड़ों पर, फूलों की घाटियों में घूम आते हैं. So we are sitting here, but we will wander the world. Different type of forest is there, mountain is there, valleys are there, so many things are there. Such a beautiful world is there. So this all the things we cannot reach there, but through the book we can reach there. कलकल करती नदियों और झरझर करते झरनों के किनारे पहुंच जाते हैं. 7 समुंदर पार आकाश के परीलोक और पाताल के यक्षलोक और ग्रह नक्षत्रों तक की सैर भी कर सकते हैं. मीन्स इन द sitting here itself you can search all the world and you can wonder all the world. You can see there, you can see the fairy tale and you can see the heaven and hell. This all the things you can experience through the book. And where the river is flowing, that all the things through the book you can journey, you can go there and you can come back. This is the book. किताब ही हमें हजारों साल पहले की दुनिया की हालचाल बताती है. So 1000 years before, what happened, what was the world, there are all the things we are knowing through the book only. राज्यों के उत्थान पतन की खबर देती है, नए ज्ञान विज्ञान से परिचित कराती है, संतों, ज्ञानियों, नेताओं के अनुभव का लाभ हम तक पहुंचाती है. इस तरह किताब थामकर हम प्रगति पथ पर आगे और आगे ही बढ़ते चले जाते हैं. होल वर्ल्ड, द हिस्ट्री, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू वांट टू नो, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स इज हैपनिंग इन द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, देयर एक्सपीरियंस, सेंस, स्कॉलर, एवरीवन्स नॉलेज वी आर गेटिंग थ्रू द बुक. किताब को आज के इस रूप तक पहुंचाने में कई पड़ाव पार करने पड़े हैं. कागज का और उस पर छपाई करने वाले मशीनों का आविष्कार 1000 साल पहले हुआ था. हालांकि किताब 5000 साल पहले अपने अस्तित्व में आ चुकी. 1000 years before the book came in this form, but before that means 5000 years before already books was there, but it was in different form only. तुम कहोगे कागज नहीं था तो किताब कैसे थी? So you people will ask that paper was not there, so how it is in the book? ऋषियों और संतों को दिया हुआ ज्ञान विज्ञान सुरक्षित कैसे रहा? तब आज की तरह ना तो आबादी की इतनी बड़ी भीड़ भाड़ थी, ना इतने सारे कामों के पीछे भाग दौड़। गांव के आदमी को अपनी जरूरत की हर चीज गांव में खुद ही तैयार करनी होती थी। So you people will ask that, but paper was not there, so how the book will come? Then you will ask that the knowledge, old time the saints and sage, this all the people they are going, and how their knowledge it is saved that time. How it is possible? That time this much population was not there, आबादी भी इतनी नहीं थी, and the people they are not running here and there, the less people, and happily they are living their life. The population was very less, but one thing is there, the people what all things they need in their life, what they are doing, they are going to search the things. Nowadays what we will do, we will make the one call and the things will reach your home. Before it was not like that. They want something, so they have to go and search the things and they have to bring the things at home. Okay, so here given there, गांव के आदमी को अपनी जरूरत की हर चीज खुद ही तैयार करनी होती थी. So if what all things they need, the villager what they will do, they will make according to their need. क्योंकि आने जाने के साधन बहुत कम थे. One place to other place, if they want to go, the vehicle, the things, the transport is not there. If it is there also, it is very less. जीवन यापन कठिन था, परंतु जिंदगी सरल थी. जीवन यापन means to live the life, it is very difficult, but their life is very easy. The people are very happy, because now we are very tensed only. Regarding of all the things, we are taking too much tense, we are getting all the things in our hand, and also we are not happy. एक साथ बहुत सी चीजों की तरफ ध्यान ना होने से लोगों की स्मरण शक्ति तेज थी. So in the same time, now in the present situation, just you see that many things we have to remember and we have to keep in our mind. But before, and they are using the time management and all the things, it is perfect only. But now what, in the 24 hours is less for us. In this 24 hours also we are getting, if we are getting more, so it is good for us. We will think like that. We are not, we will say, we are not getting any time. But the time is there itself. The 24 hours itself is there. Before also, now also, and in the future also it will be same. It will not change. The past what was there, in the present what is there, and the future what will be, the same only. Time has not changed, we change. Because of that only, the same time we can't remember all the things. So what happened? Our memory power is less. Before, their smaran sakti means their memory power is very good. They can remember all the things. If what they are listening, all the things they will keep in their mind. Because they have the work, but not like us, but in the present situation what we are. We are not getting any time to do the works. We are not in the peace mind. Because of that only, our memory power is less. In the past, their memory power was very good and strong. अपने समय के ऋषियों की वाणी से निसिप्त ज्ञान को लोग कंठस्थ कर लेते थे. So in the old time, the sage, the saints, only they will speak only and not writing, they are speaking only. But then also the students, what they will listen that one and they will remember in their mind. यह ज्ञान गुरु अपने शिष्यों को और अपने पूर्वज, अपने वंशों को कंठस्थ करा दिया करते थे. So one by one, teacher what he will do, he will make them to revise and revise. Like that, what they will do, one generation to other generation, through the talking they are giving the knowledge. or they will just by heart that things, all the shloka and the different type of words they are using, what all things they are using, that all the things they will recall and they will remember and they will keep in their mind all the time, they will say and they have learned like that. पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी इसी तरह की परंपरा चलती आ रही थी. So one by one generation, the same thing is happening. One traditional is there, the sage, he will give the knowledge to his student and after that they will become the saint and sage, so they will give. So one by one generation, the same process is going on. एक दूसरे से सुनते गाते लोग सीखते रहे. They are giving the knowledge to each other and like that they are singing and they are saying the words and they are saying the sentence, like that they have learned. इस तरह समस्त मौलिक साहित्य की यात्रा जारी रही. So like that the journey of the literature, it is going on like that, one by one the people they are giving the knowledge to other people, then other people he is giving the knowledge to other, like that the knowledge is moving one person to other person, they are giving their knowledge to others. जिस ज्ञान विज्ञान को याद रखना कठिन लगता था उसे लकड़ी की छालों, भोजपत्रों आदि पर लिख लिया जाता था. So when they are getting the knowledge and which knowledge is very difficult to remember, that things they will write in the tree's bark and the leaf, bhojpatra, one type of leaf only, that one. Because of that only, the many years before, 1,000 years before, what is there, the form, now when we are searching we are getting that one. कुछ खास चीजों को संभाल कर रखने के लिए चित्रों का सहारा भी लिया जाता था. So some special things was there in that time. So what they will do, they will make the pictures, they will draw the pictures and they are keeping that one safe. So like that what they are doing, the some things was there, that some knowledge was there, they can't remember, that things they are writing in the bark, trees bark and the leaves they are writing, and some of the things they will draw the pictures and they will keep, we are knowing through the that pictures only. Okay. कुछ खास चीजों को संभाल कर रखने के लिए चित्रों का सहारा लिया जाता था. ऐसा 1000 साल पुराना एक चित्र मेसोपोटामिया में मिला है. So the some special things they can't remember, so that things what they are doing, they are drawing the pictures and they are keeping safe. Like that the same thing was there, it is 6,000 years before Mesopotamia, their history, how we come to know how the people are living through the pictures only, right? How their life was there and how that their life is finished, all the things we come to know through the pictures only. Before that the people how they are living, we don't know how they are living, but because they saved their things, so now at present through the books we are getting the knowledge. Otherwise if they are not saving their things, so we cannot know about them. Now at present how we come to know? We come to know that through the books only. So the books is very important in our life. In the past what all things is happen, through the books only they are getting the knowledge. Okay, the old time the people what they are doing, some things they cannot remember, that things they are writing in the bark, trees bark and leaves they are writing and keeping, and some of the things they are drawing the pictures and they are keeping safe, that one. Okay children, so till here ऐसा 1000 साल पुराना एक चित्र मेसोपोटामिया में भी मिला है. Till there today's homework is what? You people have to read the lesson, किताब की कहानी till page number 16, third paragraph, till third paragraph you people have to read. The last class also, and the many times I have told you, which all words you don't know, tell me. Then only I will come to know this words meaning you don't know, because all the time I am giving which all words I feel that this word you don't know, so I am giving that English meaning. But now from your part you have to ask me, Then only I will come to know this meanings you don't know. Okay children, so just while reading, underline the words and which all words you don't know, you can ask me in the class. In the next class, you can ask me. So all of you till page number 16, third paragraph, till third paragraph you have to read. In the next class, I will ask which all meanings you don't know. Just tell me that meaning, I will tell you. Okay, so today's class I am going to wind up. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.